Hello everybody, my name is Connor and this is another video for 1 Minute English. Today we're going to look at the difference between her and hers. Okay, this is an English grammar lesson. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe below if you like these lessons. So let's go. Okay, so let's see the difference between her and hers. So her is a possessive adjective. That means that somebody is the owner. They possess something. So that is her phone. The phone is her phone. It belongs to her. Okay, it's not my phone. It's her phone. Hers is a pronoun. A pronoun replaces a noun. A noun is a thing like phone. Okay, so we replace her phone with hers. That is her phone. It is hers. So let's have a look at an example. That is her bike. That is hers. Okay? Why do we replace her bike? Because we know we are talking about bike. Okay, so we can just say that is hers. Similar, this is my pen. So we want to replace my pen and we say this is mine. Okay, that is the pronoun here instead of my pen.